Okay guys, good morning. So simulan natin yung instructional video na sinasabi sa inyo. Here are the parts needed. Unang-una, kung meron kayong hard drive, I think this 2 terabyte hard drive, USB lang, may power source siguro, pwede siguro single. And we have here also the HDMI cable. Kung wala kayong HDMI, you can always use an RCA. So normally kinakabit ang RCA. If you could see here, there's an audio video in. So yung RCA nyo is a Y pin, and dito nakakabit yung baby pin. Ang RCA is yung red, yellow, and white. Pwede yun. Then here it is, ito yung OTT box Android player. So ito yung gagamitin natin na Android box. Okay, that's it. And also importante, kailangan 5 volts ang nyo cigarette adapter. Okay, nakalagay dyan, no? Input output DC 5 volts 2 amps. Okay, so sisimulan natin. I'll just show you kung saan kakabit yan. I'll just bring everything, all you need in one hand. Yun na yun. So pasok tayo sa kotse. As you could see, nag-install na ako ng I think it's a extension ng cigarette lighter. So you could put this one inside. Medyo masikip, pero pwede yan, kaya yan. Medyo masikip, so that's it. As you can see, I already pre-installed a HDMI. Tinago ko siya sa loob, somewhere inside, and lumabas siya yan. So dyan na siya kakabit sa HDMI nyo, just like that. Okay, and ito yung sa cigarette lighter extension also. If you try to hide it, it's better. Okay, let's start. I'll just put the Android box. Okay, here. Yan. So, as you can see, ayun na yung RCA adapter nya. I think any adapter would do, but the thing is important is 5 volts. Okay, you can find this anywhere, even sa Lazada, pero mind you, madaming pangit, madaming kumokopya niyan. Okay, so yung HDMI would be inserted at the back also. Okay, so yung hard drive, you have the hard drive here, would be inserted. Yan, you have USB. I think this 2.0, I think this regular USB. Any. That's it. Okay, so once you ayusin nyo lang, okay, yan ang sa conspicuous nakatago. Sinarado nyo. Okay, nothing to show but this one, just hide it. Hide. Okay, that's it, all clear. So once you start it, don't have the key right now, kukunin ko muna. Okay, so I'll be back for the second video. Ciao.